Action.
Get them excited. Ask them questions. Anything. Get a yes out of them. If you were drowning, sir, and I threw you a life jacket, would you grab it? Yes? Good. Pick up 200 shares. What are they going to say? No. Fuck you. You can't learn how to close? Think about another job. And I am dead fucking serious about that. The guy says call me tomorrow. It's bullshit. Sometimes they got money problems. They're lying to you. You know what I say to that? I say, hey, look, tell me you don't like my firm. Tell me you don't like my ideas. Tell me you don't like my fucking necktie.
And cut.